Same as in the previous video about the design concept for turning the Honda CB350 into a street tracker, we will start again with the 2022 spec Honda CB350 RS as a base bike. But this time we want to convert it to look more like a traditional coffee racer. Starting again with the base bike, we first changed the tank color to a two-tone black-silver theme, similar like the Honda Highness CB350. We also update the original side cover and change the looks with integrated air holes and an added model badge. First, we remove the original mirrors, which could be replaced later with handlebar clip-in mirrors. Next, we remove the front license plate holder. Now we remove the original rear fender, rear turn signals, and the rear license plate holder. We also remove for now, the front turn signals and the side reflectors on the lower fork. Next, we now remove the fork gaiters. In the next step we remove the chrome exhaust cover. The original tires are getting replaced with Bridgestone Batlax RS11 Racing Street tires. Next, we black out the top of the rear springs and the silver ring headlight cover. In the next step we remove the original front fender. And for now, we reinstall a shorter rear fender. The next step is probably the most expensive one of all the modifications, replacing the original wheels with custom-made silver spoked wheels. Now we replace the original handlebars with lower clip-on handlebars which also include integrated turn signals and lower clip-on mirrors. The original handlebar grips are getting replaced with vintage Braun ones. In the next step we remove again the rear fender as well as the taillight in preparation to install the new seat. We now install a new vintage-style coffee racer seat with a matching Braun seat cover. Next, we reinstall the original taillight. As an alternative to the silver spoked wheels, let's take a look how the bike would look like with the original OEM wheels. This concludes today's design ideas and modifications of a 2022 spec Honda CB350 RS into a custom coffee racer. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.